Happy birthday. Happy birthday, Andrew. Happy birthday.
Just sit there and enjoy.
Okay, hold on.
Actually, no, you have to go.
I have to hijack. Leave. I have to hijack your piano.
Oh,
yeah, leave.
Yeah.
I command you to leave. I'm going to use your piano.
1 second.
Why don't you stay on your bed?
Let me clean up.
Okay.
Do you want?
Oh,
Are you gonna sing?
no, I'm not going to.
Sure.
Okay, this is.
Yeah, this is very.
But this is going to be our choir today. I'm a pianist, so I'm not.
Choir.
Yep.
Oh, hi.
Okay, so why don't you go over there?
And just enjoy birthday
sure.
boy.
Yeah, go over there.
Just sit there. Just sit. It's our throne.
We should go over to this side so we can hear.
Okay.
Yeah.
And we should like project
Probably we
towards.
should sit Andrew.
Yeah, everybody. Semicircle battle.
It's a choir back in the way.
You guys ready?
I'm gonna be here. On the side.
Oh my god.
Wait.
You can start crying.
Pressure.
Oh my god.
Don't feel pressure.
Okay, you guys ready?
Yep.
He's like,
double fit.
he should have read the lyrics.
I should have given him the lyrics.
Yeah, that would make more sense.
Understand us. Oh my gosh.
I understand the Miyazaki part.
He laughed at ABC songs with squiggles.
Man.
Squiggles.
That's pretty creative.
Yeah, Josh made it up.
yeah.
Josh made all of them
Yeah.
up, I
Oh
think.
dang.
Oh, not bad.
Yeah.
Potential.
Oh, David
Oh,
did quite a bit too.
Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, I saw your face. I was like, oh, what's that?
Like, you didn't understand half the things we were saying.
I totally said it wrong lyrics at the beginning.
Thank you.
I was like, your lipstick stains. Oh shoot. Oh no, right side phrase. Oh my gosh. Okay. Do you want to go out?
That's really
Maybe we can do
stuff.
We're gonna do stuff.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Come and join. Come and join.
Come out.
Come out. Seek and you shall find.
Seek and you shall find.
Oh my god. Oh, so pretty.
What are you doing?
No, blinking your head.
Oh, you're like, is that 12?
12.
Oh.
Go wait, Andrew.
Not 12.
He's 2 now.
Should we turn on the lights? Should we turn on the lights, kind of?
It's okay.
It's okay? Okay. Okay, make a birthday wish.
Alright.
Is blueberry cheesecake ice cream like blueberry cheesecake? I'm not sure if you like me or not.
Which one do I
Oh,
love?
so pretty.
I like that. And then.
Go all of
It's
that.
like a perfect
Go
picture
all.
moment. Oh my gosh. Can someone see a picture?
Oh my god.
Oh, so pretty.
Everyone's cute.
No one's taking a picture of Andrew.
Yeah. Andrew, you should stand there.
I guess I can.
Take a picture with the sink though. It's kind of hard.
Such a great photo op.
Sit on the sink. Phil, I'm going to use my camera. New DP, new DP.
The Andrew cam. How are you feeling?
Are you taking pictures,
great.
Phil, or are you taking video?
Taking
a video right now.
Do you take a picture?
Sure.